On the 11th of June, the municipal elections in Luxembourg will take place. There is, however, a difference between voting in a municipality of under 3,000 inhabitants or in a municipality with over 3,000 inhabitants. You will find this out at the latest on your election documents or on the website of your commune. In a municipality with less than 3,000 inhabitants, candidates are elected by majority vote with a relative majority. Please mind, you have as many votes as there are councillors to be elected to the municipal council. So, for example, 7 votes for 7 councillors or 9 votes for 9 councillors, which you can distribute among all the candidates accordingly. Put your respective crosses behind the candidates' names in the box that is provided. In a larger municipality with more than 3,000 inhabitants, lists or candidates are elected by proportional representation. Here you can vote for entire lists by completely blackening the white circle above the list. This way you have cast all your votes and given 1 vote to each candidate on the list. Or you can vote for individual candidates, to whom you can give a maximum of 2 votes per candidate. Again, you have a maximum of as many votes as there are councillors to be elected. So make sure not to allocate more votes than your maximum, because if you exceed the number of votes allowed, your ballot will become invalid. Use your right to vote, participate in the municipal election and vote for the CSV.